In this video, we will learn how to integrate of an even or odd function. A function f of x is said to be even if f of negative x equals to f of x. That means if you replace this x by negative x, then you will get back the same function f of x. This is an example of an even function. Why? Because if you replace this x by negative x, then it becomes negative x whole square, which is x square, and x square equals to positive f of x. That means after replacing x by negative x, we are getting back the same function. Similarly, f of x equals to cosine x is an even function. This is a graph of an even function, and an even function is always symmetric about the y-axis. That is, if we rotate the graph of positive x-axis part about the y-axis, so you will rotate this part about y-axis, then you will get the graph of negative x-axis part. To integrate of an even function, we can write the limit negative a to positive a as 2 times 0 to a, because if we evaluate the area from 0 to a first and then multiply this area by 2, then we will get the whole area. In this example, x square is an even function, and we change the limit from negative 1 to positive 1 as 2 times 0 to 1. The whole area is 2 over 3. For this example, cosine x is an even function, and we changes the limit from negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2 as 2 times 0 to pi over 2, and the whole area 2. A function f of x is said to be odd if f of negative x equals to negative f of x. For example, f of x equals to x cube is an odd function. Why? Because if you replace this x by negative x, it becomes negative x whole cube, which is negative x cube, which is negative f of x. That means f of negative x equals to negative f of x. Similarly, f of x equals to sin x is an odd function. This is a graph of an odd function, and an odd function is always symmetric about the origin. That is, if you rotate the graph of positive x-axis part about the y-axis first. So if you rotate this part about y-axis, then you will get a graph of this shape. Now, if you rotate this part about x-axis again, then you will get this type of shape. So an even function is symmetric about the y-axis, whereas an odd function is symmetric about the origin. If we integrate an odd function from negative a to positive a, then the answer will be always 0. Why? Because the area from 0 to a is above the x-axis and is positive, and the area from negative a to 0 is below the x-axis and is negative. After adding the same amount of positive quantity and negative quantity, we are getting the area as 0. For this example, x cube is an odd function, and lower and upper limit is the same but opposite sign, so the answer is 0. You can also check this result using the traditional way, but if you directly write the answer as 0 by saying that it is an odd function, then that would be 100% correct. In this example, sin x is an odd function, and lower and upper limit is the same but opposite sign, so the answer is 0. Neither odd or even function. If a function f of x doesn't satisfy any of the condition of being even or odd function, then it is neither odd or even function. For example, f of x equals to e to the power negative x is neither odd or even function because this one doesn't satisfy any of this condition. And we need to evaluate this integral using the traditional way. And after evaluating, we get this result. Thanks for watching.